Horses out, we have Hockey Hawk. Fast to begin, moving a party out, so now Winston Security Force. Then followed over by number 4, and that's Europa, running by Drell Bloodline. Barkadahan, then followed by Luck to Win, and Euromax. Hockey Hawk by Oraling Kanehapa. Security Force in the middle. Alongside third is Instant. 2 lengths for the back and forth. Moving up now, Barkadahan, Bloodline. Europa, Luck to Win, and Euromax. They swing into the back. And it's still Hockey Hawk by about 2 lengths. Security Force still in second. Instant is on the outside third. Barkadahan now moving up to take fourth. Europa alongside fifth. Bloodline. Luck to Win, and Euromax. And it's still Hockey Hawk by Oralenka. Security Force still in second. Barkadahan now trying to get closer in the middle. Then followed by Europa, Instant, Bloodline. It's now Security Force takes the lead by Oraling Kanehapa. Barkadahan moving up, Europa on the outside. Hockey Hawk is running by Drell as they come down at the last 150. Security Force, Europa now moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Europa, Security Force, Barkadahan moving up, Bloodline. Last 100 meters, Europa, Security Force once again. But it's still Europa, Mayoralenka, Security Force, and finally Europa, Security Force, Barkadahan, then comes Bloodline.
5, Luck to Win, Pampenta.